Hi, this is Master Ken. How do you become an expert? Well, go to a forum and see how people solve the problem and what people ask the questions. I've been repeatedly tell my student do that and you become an expert. So here's just one example. So this person says that I'm fairly new to Power BI and I know how to do it in Excel. It's just that when in Power BI, I don't know. And he wants something very similar to what Excel can do. So I have the two table, this one employment and this one individual. So what it's saying is that this one here. So I have employment as an individual. So employment will record uh, the name of the individual. So two times means that there's two jobs assigned to Ali and then one for Babu. So an individual table, it has a unique list. So it's a list of uh, the members. Okay. So here Ali will have two. So what do you guess? Yeah, you got it right. So for Ali, you want to count how many times appear. So that is called the count if exactly. But how do you do it in the Power BI? Okay. So there is in this table, in this diagram itself, it means that there is a relationship in between the employments and individual. So now, how to do that? Well, uh, I can use the same similar ideas as like this here. Well, you can use the count if DAX function with the calculate. You count the orders products. So what does that mean? Count A. Well, basically, is that you go to the orders here and let's just do that. So if you just count, it's just do a count here, and what is this? It's 772. That is what it means, 772,000 count. But if you drag this count la, this calculate, put it into this, and on this row itself, it actually did a filter, an inner filter. What does that mean? Let's come back to here. You do a filter here and go back and choose the butter. And you take a look here again. It's 1026. Let's come here 1026. And that is what it means when you drag the count A, the exponential with the calculate. You count the number of rows, but if it comes to this row into a filter, well, how do you skip the escape, right? Even there's inner things, right? So, well, that will require you to understand that the calculate functions are very powerful because that it can on the fly change, remove all the filter, clear all the filter by using the by changing the context using the all text function. So these Kaula and Kaola are very similar. It's just that here it put the all, and with that it has another column which is all by itself, right? So ignoring all the inner filter. So just clear every columns in the orders table. So this all functions is just as is like even you have done some other filters like this, right? And it's just clear every day at one shot with the all function. And now you can use this to divide it. So why do I talk about this percentage? Because this person, as you study further, yeah, the person does give you the solution, but what she say is that she actually don't wants to just have the counting. She actually wants to. I would need to be able to total my numbers matrices and divide the sum of by the total number. So when you heard the word divide, um, chances are you want to do a percentage, right? So you want to know how many butters go to the total. So how to do that? Well, you use the divide function, divide dex function. This is the uh, so the best practice in Microsoft, it says that it's better to use the divide function than the forward slash, right? Because it explains all this, right? So there's the numerators and denominator. So the numerator is the COUNTA, a denominator is the COUNTA. So with that, we created a percentage against that, and that is just done. Um, okay, I think that will solve the this person problem, and I'm not sure they gave you a solution to that, but I have that for what is this. So, and once again, that you can find many ways to solve problems. At the end is that you solve the problem the right way. um Quite uh, easy to relate. Okay, thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia, and I thank Jesus for giving me ability to share.